Yo, what it is? It's your boy Bocka, you feel me? Straight from Georgetown, South Carolina. And as you can see, I'm in my yard, I'm in my city, you feel me? But yo, shout out to other car detailers out there, because this video, I'm gonna show y'all how I detail cars. I mean, I do a little something, a little rusty. I ain't the best, but you got Jawan Johnson, Dedrick Sparkman, you got Brandon McCraven, Bam, also known as Bam. Don't go stream his music. Man, you got my boy Trevor up the road. You got Extra Mile up the road, man. There's so much great detailers around Georgetown County. And if I didn't get to say your name, I'm sorry, but leave a comment of your name and your business with your information so everybody can be able to get to you. Also, yo, I need y'all to like this video, comment on this video, and subscribe to my channel. And turn on that post notification so you know every time I'm dropping a video. I'm about to, like I said, I'm gonna show y'all how I detail a video, well, like simple detailing work, not full-blown detailing stuff. Like, I came to the city for like one day, you feel me? But also in this video, you're gonna be able to meet other influencers, other creators, you feel me? People that have their own business. So it's basically like a networking video. I want y'all to connect, align with people, you feel me? Let's power up together and let's move on to the next thing, you feel me? Also, boy, it is hot out here, but you see I still got on my shirt because I'm promoting, you feel me? And with that being said, let's get into this video.
What IamBocka. Oh, you vlogging?
Yo, that's the other influencer, you feel me? That's the other YouTuber.
What's up, y'all? We back in this thing.
She got the vlog going, you feel me?
You feel me?
Oh shit.
Again.
Let's see what she got going on.
Goddamn chicken in the damn car.
Got water in the car.
Hey, that's what you not gonna do. You ain't about to shame me. I'm gonna shame my own self first.
Okay, let's see what we got. We got a book. We got a shoe collection. We got some chicken. About to eat one of her chickens. But yeah. I ain't know. Shit, in this heat right now, I'm not sure. Yo, where the sun at? Bing!
Hello everyone, my name is Anisha Monet. I'm the CEO of Marvelous Faces by Monet. I'm originally from Georgetown, South Carolina. Right now I'm in Atlanta where I do my makeup. So guys, check me out. I'm on Instagram at Marvelous Faces by Monet.
Yo, what it is, it's your boy, IamBocka from Georgetown, South Carolina, and once again, I'm back in my city, Georgetown, you feel me? Yo, today, I got a special car wash for you guys. My boy pulling up with his custom 392 Scat pack, you feel me? Not the 2015, not the 2018, the 2020, 2021, if I'm not mistaken. But yo, check it. I'm about to show y'all how you really detail a Scat pack, you feel me? Also, y'all see that? You gotta do it in the designer, man. When you touching the Scat, you gotta do it in the designer. We gotta do it in the V-Loan, man. But nah, forget that. It's just a materialistic thing. But with that being said, let's go ahead and get into this video. You feel me? Out of here.